Hi guys, welcome. This video is about the weekly outlook on gold, my take on gold for this week. On the weekly time frame, we've been bullish on gold since like 2000, long time. The last, if I would say the last 10 years, 10, 20 years, gold has been upward movement. It has been choppy here and there, but my own take on gold has always been bullish. Basically, my take on gold has been bullish, and I will be looking at it from the daily time frame. I see up. All I see is up. I take my key levels on a 4-hour time frame, so I know what I'm dealing with. I'll drop it from 4 hours to 1 hour so that I can trade the range and expect volatility in the market. It is gold. All is expected. Those are my key levels that I might possibly trade. So first things I do, I take out my key levels to know where the market might retrace on 4-hour time frame. And I also do on a 1-hourly time frame as well, because I know gold respects 1-hour time frames a lot. That's from my experience, my professional advice. These are my key levels for gold for 1-hour time frame. We might bounce between some levels, though I'll still take it lower to 15 minutes time frame. Then I'll put in my custom indicator to look at the trend. Most of the time, I try to look at EMAs, 29 and 921 EMA to confirm my directional bias. But aside before confirming my bias, I do key levels. I've marked my highs and lows and set up my EM. Let me put up an indicator, exponential moving average. I'll use this one. I'll set it 921, 921, and then 200. I'll use the first, second, and fourth. The fourth is white. I change the color from white to purple and increase the width so I know what I'm looking at. So this is what I'm doing for the entire day, all through the day, for all through the week, for me. So I confirm my trend on a higher time frame, then I go to a lower time frame to take my entries and my exits. So it's as simple as you can take it. So if I want to trade majorly on 5-minute time frame, I try to avoid 1-minute time frame because it's too choppy. This is what I do. We might rebound at this level. We might also drop down. From my perspective on what gold has been doing and the economic outlook looks like, I think gold is going to, or might see before the end of the week, we might see 300. This key level touches here or it breaks out. If it breaks out at 3,303, then we're going to 3275. But if we retest 303, we're going, I'm definitely confirming that we're going to 3363 for the week. And the possibility that we might hit 3431 is also high. But we never can tell. It's gold, it's volatile. So many things can happen in the course of the week. And it's possible that we might range, because last week we ranged between 303 and what's this level here? 3392. So it's a high possibility that we range between that. But one thing I recommend, mark your key levels from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. Use your edge. For my edge, I use EMAs by making sure that my confirmation is from a higher time frame. So if I'm bullish on a higher time frame, I remain bullish. I take my trade from a lower time frame in a bull direction. So stay safe, trade professionally, cut your losses, and let your winners run. and I'll see you for the gold review by weekend, and we'll see if we've made money or we've not. See you later. Bye.